I'm good.
It's bad. It's not bad, man. Before it was...
Hey, Garrett, stop there for a sec. Can you check my Sony if it's recording?
How do I know?
It's counting, right?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, good. Alright.
I'm not recording yet.
Go. Alright, I'm just testing out my Sony cam right now and the audio. Did a little bit of a tweak. I hope it's better. I got 4 guys in front of me. Matt in front, Ian next behind him, and got Dave, and then Garrett, and there's me. So there's 5 of us paired all on our Senas, and I'm recording with the Sony, testing out the audio, and yeah, we're off on a nice ride today. Nice Saturday morning, nice and cool still.
Hey, back to the scene of my accident. The guys just turning. They're all turning.
So this is where Dave crashed?
Yep.
Making this left?
Making the left, going this way.
Oh, going that way.
Car came through the light here.
Alright. Okay, I'm having to play catch up to these guys. I've got the slowest bike here.
I think it's 0 going front.
No, that's fine.
You never want to think from front because you know.
It's just the acceleration from the stop. I can't keep up to you guys. Well, I shouldn't say that because I'm not really gassing it.
You can if you really give it.
Yeah. There's nothing wrong with the acceleration in this bike. It's just from the stop. First gear is so short.
It's actually pretty good on the highway. You have no problems.
Oh yeah, the highway, no problem for the highway.
Buddies out today?
Oh, nice bike. Oh, damn.
Head over to the right, guys. You gotta go right. That key is going left anyway.
Yeah.
Is that Eli?
What?
I hear the bike. Is it too far from here?
Maybe.
Oh yeah, you must have to go better. It's not too far from here.
Oh man, all the bikes are out.
Yeah. Lover is $3. Where is the Chevron?
You probably eventually see. Oh, there it is. I see it. You see it?
Yeah, straight down. Oh yeah, okay. Up there on the right. You want to top up in? Yeah, I was just gonna say. What do you put in? 94.
Hey Garrett, what do you put in?
94.
You do?
I do, yeah.
Alright.
Unless so do I.
Maybe I'll top up too.
I gotta fix my helmet anyway, so I gotta take off here. How much do you need? Probably.
Like a buck.
Or it's actually nice and cool over here, right?
That's nice.
It's like 23 degrees right now over here.
This is really nice. 23 degrees is nice.
Yeah, it's perfect. Great riding weather. There's a little smoke over there. Yeah. Big deal road too. She was like...
Oh, this is really, really close. I wanted to stop here somewhere. Hey guys, quite nice here. Okay, I'm gonna take you guys right. Because we would normally go to left, but I didn't know there's such a short ride.
That's Stave Lake, and that paper down there.
Yeah, you guys wouldn't want to go to Stave. It's just all gravel.
I know, I'm saying that's Stave Lake right there. Hey man, I don't care. Look at my bike. Railway trail.
Quite nice.
Yeah, right there.
What's down here?
The guy in the crack boat had a good pace.
Very well
yeah.
trailhead.
I know, we're going and he's still ahead of me.
Oh,
No, it's good, Max.
very nice.
think it's the cable or something, I don't know.
A nice little spot. Do you guys want to ride our bikes on this grass here and take pictures?
I know.
No one can hear you.
They would hate. Oh yeah, right. No one could hear. Well,
I kind of do.
would we be pricks?
Yep.
Yeah, but
Not really, there's tons of room.
yeah,
But no, there's so many people walking.
it's fine.
Maybe we
Not hurting anybody.
would
You
you?
ride up? Yeah, you can do it. We're gonna ride up here and take pictures.
But,
On the grass.
how's that?
Yeah,
Why don't we just
Some of these
push our
people
bikes in?
first.
yeah, you
Get
can
it
do
here and just push it over, so it doesn't piss anyone off.
that. No, just ride in.
I'm gonna ride in.
I'll let you guys go ahead. Or we just ride through.
I go right through, right over the grass.
Yeah. I go just go up the trail and go to the left.
I don't care.
This ain't no Home Depot, guys.
This is bad.
Why didn't you go where the Home Depot was? Yeah, is there a Home Depot around here? I'm gonna take a picture with the Home Depot. You know, there's a Home Depot lot right there.
Just wait for him, Ian.
Fine. How much space do you think you need?
Oh yeah, perfect. It just opened up for us. Go.
Well, I know.
Nice car. The
Go,
rim.
go, 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 go.
Kill it. Oh yeah. Terrible wheel size. Everything else is not bad. It's just ugly wheels.
Well, there's pretty much one knot to save the car. It needs to get out here and slide in this grass. How's that? Dad, what the fuck are you doing?
Cut you off.
Jesus.
Go, 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 go.
Is this good? Somebody needs to have, like,
Matt.
the guy.
Are you gonna back up some more or no?
Where should I go?
Well,
Just back up a little bit. Just so we're, like, I don't know. He's backing up for some reason.
I can't go much further back. I gotta do it. If I go any further back, I'm gonna be in a bump. Like in a hell.
The girl
Nice.
smiled at us. She's
K5, KTM 390 Duke, FZ09, Triumph Street 10, Twin,
10.
Street 10, Street 10, and the Z1000. It's pretty nice.
Dave, your bike's too far back.
Yeah. I was thinking we should go back in the shade after we take some pictures. Yeah. It's pretty hot.
Oh, yeah.
How about we get on the bike and get the hell out of here?
oh gosh. Oh,
That's the weather, right?
that was wide.
Yeah, it's bad. It's funny here.
I came in hot.
Yeah. I'm not very good at the downhill type. It's fine. It's sketchy for me.
We're going over the bridge.
There we go. Got that one done.
Watch, there's a metal here.
Yeah, it's like that rail thing in the middle of the road up here.
Look above here.
Oh man, can you imagine how slippery that would be in the winter? Like,
Oh, look how nice that is.
those guys definitely are fucking. Where's it getting we can see over big, man. Need to smoke first.
Left, yeah. You guys want to go to a pub?